Today, CSV stands for CSVs Save Valuable. Time. Using the CSV Import template is one of the fastest ways to add potential advocates to your program. Start by downloading the CSV Import template from the Advocates tab from your hub. Open the template in any spreadsheet editor. I'm using Google Sheets. Enter the contact info of your potential advocates into the corresponding columns. Make sure not to modify any of the headers during this process. Once you have added all of the contacts into the sheet, save and download it. Back on the Advocates tab of the hub, open the Import dialog again and find your import file. Now you can choose a few options. There are two states these contacts can be imported into: nominees and not-joined advocates. Nominees are contacts who have never been in AdvocateHub and have not received any invitations. When you invite a nominee, they are moved from the nominee list to the main advocates list as they become not-joined advocates. Here's a handy-dandy chart to show you the different advocate states. Based on this information, you can now choose to import your contacts as nominees or advocates, and if you choose advocates, whether to invite those contacts immediately or not. Once that's decided, choose which, if any, groups you want to add these contacts to. Then complete the import. CS Victory! You've imported your contacts. Now you have a whole new batch of advocates to play with. Thanks for watching this week's InfluiTip. Make sure to let us know what you think in the comments in our discussion thread, and like and subscribe. It does help with our numbers. Thanks.